What do you say when you answer the phone?
It's a great day in Ensign. What can I get you information on?
Perfect! Freaking trophy going to you. Did you hear how that was positive? It was down to business, and it was clear and concise. And notice what she didn't say. Thank you for calling Ensign. My name's Karen. How can I help you? Worst possible thing you could ever say. Never say, how can I help you? Why would you not say, how can I help you? Number one, it's an implied guarantee. You guys, I stay up at night thinking about this stuff so you don't have to. If I say, how can I help you? There's an implied guarantee that I'm going to do what? Help you. This is why residents that call you and are angry, this is one of the reasons they continue to get angrier when you can't help them. Because you started the dang call with, how can I help you? Right? And you can't help them. There's a big difference between what can I get you information on and how can I help you. I'm saying, what can I get you information on? I'm not giving you a guarantee that I'm going to help you. Here's another reason why I want to say, what can I get you information on? Every single person that calls your community wants one dang thing. Whether it's a prospect, whether it's a resident, whether it's your regional, whether it's the vendor that just changed the shrubbery in front of the community or fixed your water main break. Information. Information on your 2 bedrooms, information on their Amazon package, information on your expense report, information on whether or not their invoice for fixing your water main break is going to get paid. So saying, what can I get you information on, is down to business. Never, ever, 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 ever say your name when you answer the phone. Why? Human beings don't talk like that. I think about this stuff so you guys don't have to. Some person 100 years ago, maybe not 100 years ago, but close to then, was training some people on how to answer the phone and came up with this idiotic idea of you need to say your name when you answer the phone. It is not rude to not say your name. It is normal. And if I answer the phone and say, thank you for calling Riverstone, my name's Matt, how can I help you? I've now said my name. Cool, great, props to me. They don't remember it. Because anybody calling for anything needs to unpack. What they were calling about needs to cross their lips. It needs to come out of their face before they can listen to anything that you have to say. And you guys have all experienced this in your personal life. You call your friend to let them know you can't come to the party, and your friend starts talking about other stuff, and you're just like, yeah, but, and you're just waiting for them to shut up. And then you finally, hey, I wanted to let you know I can't come to the party. And they've spent 10 minutes talking about how cool the party is going to be. Whoever called you, you have to let them unpack. Okay? You have to let them know what they're calling about. They have to let you know what they're calling about. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.